If your website looks good, but it doesn't do anything, then it's not really working for you. Your website should be more than an online brochure. It should be your hardest working employee, your digital business partner that attracts the right clients, drives in revenue, and supports your business goals 24/7 around the clock. If your website is not doing that yet, keep watching. I'm going to show you exactly what you're missing. What's up, Faithpreneurs? I'm Stephanie Mays, founder of S Mays Designs, designs with your brand in mind, and where we create strategic, professional websites for the faith-filled and business-minded. After years of designing high-performing websites, I've found that most business owners don't fully understand what their website should actually be doing. And that misunderstanding is costing them time, clients, and money. So let's break down the top 5 things a successful strategy driven website really does for your business and how you can turn yours into a digital asset that works just as hard as you do. Number one, your website should act as a lead magnet. It should capture interest, qualify visitors, and turn them into potential clients. And yes, you did hear me right. I said qualify visitors. As much as you may want to be all to all, this is just a desire that's not very realistic. You are not for everyone, nor is everyone for you. Qualifying visitors will save you a lot of headaches and frustration. Capturing interest and quality leads is done through forms, opt ins, and call to actions that are strategically placed. Through these features, your website becomes a silent sales assistant, guiding people to the next step. If someone visits your website and leaves without taking action, that's a sign that he or she was not a qualifying visitor, or if this happens more often than not, your site may be missing conversion focused strategy. Number two, your website should drive sales. Whether you're selling services, products, or programs, your website should streamline the sales process. This means clear offers, persuasive copy, and simple checkout and booking flows that reduce friction and increase conversion. A high end website design means absolutely nothing if your offer isn't clear and the path to purchase is confusing. Number three, your website should simplify scheduling. Not only do you want your website to attract leads, it should also help you to manage them. By integrating scheduling tools, you provide a way for your clients to book consultations and services without back and forth emails, which saves you time and also boosts your professional image. Number four, your website should help to build your brand. Your website is a reflection of your brand's credibility, quality, and values. The visuals, tones, and experience should all communicate your brand's promise before you ever get on a call with a potential customer. Before people buy from you, they need to believe in you. And your website plays a vital role in helping to shape that belief. And lastly, number five, your website should tell your story. Storytelling is one of the most powerful tools for connection. Your website should tell the story of who you are, what you stand for, and who you serve. And it should tell that story authentically and with purpose. Sharing your story is how you create emotional connection and trust, which will lead to customer loyalty. Now, when all of these elements, lead generation, sales, scheduling, brand building, and storytelling are strategically aligned, your website becomes more than a digital presence, it becomes your digital business partner. DIY and template based websites tend to fall short in these areas because they aren't built with business goals in mind. That's why at SMA's Designs, we help business owners and organization leaders bridge the gap between visual and digital execution. We create custom strategy driven websites that reflect excellence, communicate value, and move your business forward. If you're ready for a website that doesn't just look good but supports your goals, attracts your ideal clients, and grows your brand, let's talk. Visit smaysdesigns.com today and schedule your consultation. And that concludes my Web Wednesday topic for today. If you found this topic helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more. And I will see you all in the next video. Be blessed.